Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Chantal, back with another video for you guys. As you guys can tell, I am super tired. Simply because being a mom is not for the weak, but okay. Anyways, I would like to thank you guys for 437 subscribers. Yeah, I know, but yeah, the goal is to get to 500 before month end, so let's keep the goal going and keep on subscribing and liking and sharing with everybody. So today, I don't know what we're going to be doing really. I would like to give a shout out to my new subscriber from my previous video, and I appreciate you so much. If you also want to be given a shout out, comment new subscriber down below, and then I will give you a shout out in the next video I drop. And then you can give me your handles where people can follow you as well. You know, we grow together in this, and yeah.
Tomorrow for sure.
Guys, I just finished bathing. Today I had a very long day. I didn't even have time to film. Literally almost half of the day. It's like 2 o'clock now in the afternoon. And I had a rough time. And I had to go somewhere today, but I couldn't because this girl wasn't okay, so I can't go anywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna pack her laundry and some of my laundry because I don't have laundry. I can wear the same clothes like 5 times a day. Like I can wear the same clothes until the next week they wash, because really I'm not going nowhere. So, and please don't mind my black armpits. I'm still, and my black neck. It's still hyperpigmentation from pregnancy. Anyways, someone said my vlogs are short, so I'm gonna try not edit too much. I'm gonna try to not cut out too much stuff from the vlogs so that you guys can have a longer time watching me. The reason why I do not do long vlogs is because I also don't like watching super long vlogs. I get bored so quick. I don't do long vlogs because I don't want to do something that I know I do not like. Because long vlogs, I take like 2 to 3 days watching them because I get bored of one thing for a long time. So that's why I do not spend too much time. I do not like doing long vlogs because I also don't like watching long vlogs. So I wouldn't want people to watch what I do not like. I wouldn't want to create something that I know I wouldn't watch for that long. For that long. That's the reason why I don't do like long vlogs. I'm gonna try not make them 5 minutes, maybe 15 minutes maximum. Let me show you guys today's outfit. Do not judge me.
Today I'm going to show you my talent.
What? Wow, beautiful. Can you see
that? Show the talent.
I don't like saggy boobs. And I think I'm going to undo my hair. I just don't know when. But in one of the vlogs, you guys are going to see me undoing my hair because this hair has a month now. And I'm tired of these curls all over my face. And yeah, I'm tired now. My hairline is also saying goodbye. But yeah, I'm gonna sweep my room and then the rest will follow. I think this vlog is also gonna overlap to the next day because what I wanted to do today, I couldn't do today. Another thing I'm forgetting to tell you guys is that do not make your kids get used to like you guys keeping quiet and stuff, because now you're gonna keep quiet and then you're unable to speak in your own room. Now you have to do things gating or kare. Do not do that. When a child is sleeping, speak, play music, do something. Don't be scared to talk, because now you're gonna be scared to do something. You're gonna be scared to do it your whole life until she's grown enough. So now I refused to let a stranger make me live like a stranger in my own room. So that's why I always talk when she's sleeping. I watch TikTok. I do whatever that I want as if she's not even in the room, because I don't want to make her get used to something I'm not going to be able to thingy with at the end. So now I'm gonna pack the baby's laundry with my laundry, and then yeah, let's get into it. So now that I'm done with my laundry, I'm gonna sweep my room, and then I'm gonna have lunch, and then I'm gonna take a nap. So guys, it's currently the next day and we are walking to wherever that I am going, but now we are going to first fetch my friend and then we're gonna walk together. She made me breakfast.
Hours later.
I'm back and tired, and my baby is sleeping right here. I'm so tired. I think now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit the video. I was thinking of undoing my hair, but I'm tired. I have to wash my baby's bottles, and yeah. I've decided to undo my hair because the reason why I had my hair until now is because I had to go somewhere. So that somewhere has passed. So now it's time for me to undo this hair. Okay.
The next morning.
Morning, you guys. So today is day 3 of the vlog, and simply because yesterday I failed editing, so that's why I didn't thingy. But we're gonna attempt to tidy up my room, and then, by the way, it's a Saturday and it's somewhere 7 something. I just don't know what time is it, but yeah. Yep. So let's get my day started, and probably today is the last day of the vlog, and this is the longest I've ever vlogged. I've never vlogged for 3 days full.
Not that I care. Do you like my hair? No, I don't care. I'm just curious, boy. Not that I like it, boy. No, I don't
Guys, I'm
like
finally
it,
done with my
boy.
hair.
But I still wanna know. Do you like my
I
hair?
cannot vlog in peace,
No, I don't care.
but I'm gonna take a nap
Why
because
would I
I'm
care?
tired.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
So guys, I woke up from my nap and I took a bath, and then after taking a bath, it was late already, and then yeah, she always wants to be heard when I'm recording. I don't know why, and she's sleeping. But anyways, yeah, it's currently at night and I'm just here to close off my vlog. So we've come to the end of the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. And I think I need my flowers because I've been consistent, you know. I've been posting after 7 days. My TikTok page is booming as well because, you know, I'm multitasking. Okay? So yeah, we've come to the end of the vlog and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, positive vibes only and good night.
Your girl.